No experience? No problem. Healthcare jobs are in demand, and many entry-level roles ask for little to no experience in the industry. I'm Travis, a registered nurse and healthcare expert at Indeed. Here are 5 roles for healthcare newbies. Benefits verification specialist. Patient access occupation, such as a benefits verification specialist, work in medical facilities, providing clerical and non-medical support to patients and staff. Benefits specialists verify health insurance coverage. They work with patients and insurance companies to obtain prior authorizations for medical procedures and medications. They are responsible for keeping accurate records and authorization paperwork for each patient and providing documentation for insurance providers. Most patient access occupations require a high school diploma, and some may ask for current knowledge of medical terminology and insurance procedures. Skills required for these roles include customer service, confidentiality, and agility in a fast-paced and sometimes stressful environment. Nursing assistant. Nursing assistants and patient care technicians support licensed nurses with a variety of patient care tasks and basic healthcare needs. They maintain treatment and living areas, record vital signs, assist with personal hygiene, and convey updates to the nurse or physician. This can be a good position for someone looking to become a registered nurse or licensed practical nurse in the future. A high school diploma is required for most nursing assistant roles, and some may ask for a certified nursing assistant credential, which can take 4 to 16 weeks to obtain. A few important skills include compassion, patience, and a kind and caring attitude. Dental assistant. Dental assistants support dentists and dental clinics. They welcome and prepare patients for dental procedures, collect medical information, sterilize dental equipment, maintain exam rooms and inventory, and provide direct patient care. Most dental assistant roles require a high school diploma. Some may also ask for a CPR certification and completion of a dental assisting program, which may take between 9 to 11 months to complete. Essential skills for dental assistants include critical thinking, customer service, basic computer skills, and excellent written and oral communication. Receptionist or registrar. Medical receptionists or registrars operate the front desk of healthcare facilities. They greet and check in patients, gather personal and medical information, maintain medical records, monitor phone lines, and provide appointment and location instructions. A high school diploma or equivalent is required for most medical registrar positions. Compliance, confidentiality, organization, and interpersonal skills are crucial for these roles. Patient transporter. Patient transporters assist with escorting and transferring patients, equipment, supplies, and materials throughout medical facilities. They use care when helping, assisting, lifting, and transporting patients and adhere to strict safety rules and regulations. You'll need a high school diploma and may be asked for additional credentials such as basic life support, national patient care technician, or emergency medical technician certifications. Physical stamina, organizational, and communication skills are great for patient transporters. Here are a few tips to help you get started in your healthcare career. Take an entry-level position. Starting in a novice role can help you cultivate industry knowledge, hone your skills, and could lead to a lucrative career. Consider relocation. If you have the ability to move, relocation can offer more opportunities, expand your professional horizons, and may provide gainful compensation. Tailor your resume for healthcare. Use job descriptions to focus on transferable soft and hard skills most relevant to your targeted role. Check out Indeed's free Instant Resume Report. It offers best practices and solutions for an outstanding resume. Set up job alerts on Indeed to learn of new roles immediately and be an early applicant. Update your free Indeed profile with healthcare-related skills and experience. This can help you stand out with recruiters and find a role that fits your goals. Network with family and friends already working in healthcare. Ask about their roles, companies, and hey, if they're hiring. Look, you don't need experience to build a fulfilling healthcare career. Research your options, align your goals, and get started on your next professional endeavor. For more healthcare career tips and job opportunities, check out Indeed.